ASP.NET. In this video, we will study the theory of .NET in detail. We will cover the following topics. 1. What is ASP.NET? 2. History of ASP.NET. 3. Why ASP.NET is used. 4. Features of ASP.NET. Detailed. 5. Components of ASP.NET. 6. Advantages of ASP.NET. 7. Disadvantages of ASP.NET. 8. Applications of ASP.NET.
1. What is ASP.NET? ASP.NET is a server-side web application framework developed by Microsoft. It is used to create dynamic websites, web applications, and web services. ASP.NET works on the .NET framework and allows developers to write web applications using languages such as C#, VB.NET, and F#. ASP.NET processes user requests on the server and sends the output to the client, browser, in the form of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Definition: exam-ready. ASP.NET is a server-side technology of the .NET framework used to develop dynamic, secure, and scalable web applications. 2. History of ASP.NET. ASP, classic ASP. Old, scripting-based technology. ASP.NET, 2002. Object-oriented, compiled, faster. ASP.NET Web Forms. ASP.NET, MVC. ASP.NET, Web API. ASP.NET Core, cross-platform, high performance. 3. Why ASP.NET is used. ASP.NET is used because it is fast and efficient, supports object-oriented programming, provides built-in security, is easy to maintain and scale, integrates well with Microsoft technologies. Features of ASP.NET. Detailed. 1. Server-side technology. 2. Language independence. 3. Object-oriented programming. OOP. 4. Rich set of controls. 5. State management. 6. Built-in security. 7. High performance. 8. MVC architecture support. 9. Easy database connectivity. 10. Scalability and maintainability. 11. Cross-platform. ASP.NET Core. 4. Features of ASP.NET. Detailed. 1. Server-side technology. Code is executed on the server, not in the browser. Client cannot see the source code. Right pointing arrow more secure. 2. Language independence. Supports multiple languages. C#, VB.NET, F#. All languages are compiled into intermediate language, IL. 4. Features of ASP.NET. Detailed. 3. Object-oriented programming. OOP. ASP.NET supports encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction. This makes applications modular, reusable, and maintainable. 4. Features of ASP.NET. Detailed. 4. Rich set of controls. ASP.NET provides standard controls, text box, button, label, validation controls, data controls, grid view, repeater, user controls, and custom controls. These controls reduce coding time. 5. State management. ASP.NET provides multiple ways to manage state: view state, session, application, cookies, cache. Helps in maintaining user data across requests. 6. Built-in security. ASP.NET provides authentication, authorization, role-based security, Windows and Forms authentication, ensures secure web applications. 7. High performance. Compiled code runs faster than interpreted code. Caching improves performance. Optimized request handling. 8. MVC architecture support. ASP.NET supports Model View Controller, MVC, Model Right-Pointing Arrow Business Logic, View Right-Pointing Arrow User Interface. Controller Right-Pointing Arrow handles requests. This improves code separation and testing. 9. Easy database connectivity. Uses ADO.NET and Entity Framework. Supports databases like SQL Server, Oracle, MySQL. 10. Scalability and maintainability. Suitable for small to large enterprise applications. Easy to update and manage code. 11. Cross-platform. ASP.NET Core. Runs on Windows, Linux, and macOS. Open source and cloud-friendly. 5. Components of ASP.NET. CLR. Common Language Runtime. ASP.NET Runtime. Web Forms /MVC /Web API. ADO.NET. Base Class Library. BCL. 6. Advantages of ASP.NET. High performance. Secure. Supports OOP. Easy debugging. Strong Microsoft support. Rich development tools. Visual Studio 7. Disadvantages of ASP.NET. Hosting cost can be high, learning curve for beginners, less control over HTML, web forms, mostly dependent on Microsoft ecosystem. 8. Applications of ASP.NET. E-commerce websites, banking applications, educational portals, enterprise-level web applications, REST APIs.